In today's video, I wanted to share with you my top 5 favorite brushes for the eyes. And the best part, they're all under $10. As always, I will leave links to everything that I use in the description box, so let's just get right into it. The first brush is the Morphe M4 Pro Firm Blending Brush. This retails for $7. If I could pick a favorite out of all the brushes, this for sure would be my #1 pick. I could probably do a whole eye look with just this one brush. I use this brush to start off every eye makeup look. It just blends the first color out so perfectly, so beautifully, seamlessly. This brush is amazing. If you're looking for one eyeshadow brush, I would definitely recommend the Morphe M4 It's just amazing. This next brush is pretty new. I just picked it up, but I have been obsessing with it. It is the Real Techniques Insta Pop Shade Brush. You actually get 2 brushes for $10. So I guess this one would be like $5 if you had to break it down, but I don't think you can buy them individually. But I really love this brush because of the angle, and it really just fits perfectly into the outer corner where I really like pack on a darker shade when I'm doing my eyeshadow. And then once like I pack all the color on, I flip it around to use the more like pointier edge to really blend it out. So I just feel like this brush kind of works like in 2 ways. It really like packs on the color and then blends it out for you. Whenever I do my eyeliner and use a kohl pencil, I have to use my Sonia Kashuk angled eyeliner brush. And I use this just to really blend out the eyeliner and smoke it out a little bit, just so it's not so like harsh and kind of like chalky from like the kohl. The bristles are just really stiff. This has totally been a staple. I cannot use a kohl eyeliner unless I have this brush. For my under eyes, this brush is the shit. This is the Morphe M210 Small Chiseled Fluff Brush. And the bristles are nice and sturdy, but they still like move so you can get a good blend underneath your eye. And I feel like it just fits perfectly for underneath your eye area. If you're looking for a good brush to really smoke out your under eye with eyeshadows, I would highly recommend this brush. I mean, and it's only like less than $3, so just try it anyways, you know? Why not? The last brush is the Morphe E36 Detail Crease Brush, but I do not use this for the crease. I feel like it's so tiny, it would be like really hard to blend out a crease color. I use this to highlight the inner corners of my eye and below my brow bone. It's really small and precise to really get in your inner corners and below your brow bone. I love this brush. So that's gonna wrap up this video for my top 5 brushes for your eyes. And the fact that they're all under $10 just makes them that much better. I don't know about you, but I used to buy MAC brushes and those cost an arm and a leg. And ever since like I discovered cheaper makeup brushes that do like the same job, I'm like, who ever buys MAC brushes anymore? Like, who? So just remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to have good quality makeup brushes. There's a ton of them out there. I hope this video helped you guys if you're in the market for new eyeshadow brushes. These are my babies, and like I said in the beginning of this video, I cannot do my makeup without these. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below on your favorite makeup brushes for your eyes. I'd love to check it out. I am kind of obsessed with trying new products. And thank you so much for watching. I really, truly appreciate everyone that shows me love or just anything in general. Or if you're just watching my video, like, thank you. You are the bomb.com. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
These brushes right here. These